money, beaches, and champagne. Well, this is not about that, but I hope that one hooked you up. This is a full-on website scraper, backlink checker, keyword researcher, and everything needed for your site to rank. The process is simple. You just press on execute workflow. Here, you will need to put your website. I'm gonna put mine, which is claude.co.md. Next, you will need to choose your country. Here I'm going to choose United States. Next, you'll need to choose the language. I'm going to choose here English. Press submit, and that will going to start the whole workflow. Let me show you around. First, it was based on the form submission that we have just submitted. Next, this is a code to call for our DataForSEO API, so everything will going to go nice and smooth. Then it goes by phases. The first thing is that we are checking the keywords that the current website is ranking for. So we're calling a specific DataForSEO API. So here is an endpoint that calls and we get the relevant and all keywords that the current page is currently ranking for. Currently, it's also currently processing live, so you can see the end result at the end. The next is our keywords suggested for the site. So let's say if you have our site and we have also at the same time page rank keywords, then we also can rank for more keywords, right? So this is the suggested keywords for that. The next one is our Google's Lighthouse. I hope you get it, because I don't think I need to apply for that. So everything in regards to your page performance, your analytics, your PageSpeed insights, everything is inside here. Next, we have the full-on website scrape. Here we're starting as follows. First, we're getting the sitemap of the current page and all the pages. The next, we are splitting all the pages in half, and then we are scraping each and every individual page in a loop, as we see right now here. So the loop is starting straight away here, and the loop is going. First, we're getting the page screenshot and the HTML for each and every individual page. Afterwards, we're splitting that, and we're getting only the screenshot. Then we're extracting the binary of that specific screenshot so we can terraform it. Afterwards, we are getting also the combining the page content, and we're getting the HTML and the markdown of the current page. Total pages here, they're around 42. The next one is our on-page SEO audit. Well, this is important also, so we are checking also our on-page SEO. Then afterwards, we're getting the domain level signals. Here I'm talking about backlinks, about domain rank overviews, domain technologies, and relevant pages, all keyed off the bare domain, so from the current domain. And all of this is being processed right now live with no AI. Now imagine, after we get all of these data and we just feed it to our agent, that being Claude or Codex or even Kimi or Gemini, you choose yours, and then we can craft our beautiful report. So how long this one took me? Like maybe 2 minutes, and I scraped a full-on 42-page website. Let's see exactly what we have here. First, and the next one is our report. So this is the end part. So here we have one canonical report object, 4 renders. We have the PDF, the HTML, the Markdown, and a spreadsheet, which is the XLS. So if I'm going to press here on combine all results, so here you can see we have a total of 18.6 megabytes of data, and this is all because of all the images, all the context within the current output. So I'm going to press here on JSON, so you'll be able to see exactly what we have inside, but for that I think I'll just need to press. So here we have personal schema, we have run keywords, we have suggested keywords. So going back to the run keywords, imagine these are the keywords that my current Claude.co.md website is ranking for. So here I have the keyword, the search volume, the intent, difficulty, competition level, cost per click, the low and high top of page speed, the monthly, quarterly, and yearly search volume. How cool is that? And that is for each and every keyword. Here it's around 1000. The next one also we have keywords suggested for site. So these are basically keywords that we can also rank for, and I can also rank for. So basically if I want to create maybe some blogs or maybe also some content, I can easily target these keywords. So the exact same concept here. We have keyword, competition, index, search volume, low and high top of page speed, and also cost per click. The next thing also here, we have the Lighthouse data. Yep, so here I'm talking about it's general data, redirects, HTTP, viewport, first contentful page, largest contentful page, basically the sizes of your current content, that being images or videos, speed index, screenshot thumbnail, final screenshot, total blocking time, max potential, motive layout shift, errors in the console, server's response time, interactiveness, user timings, critical request chains, redirects, image aspect ratio, image size responsiveness, deprecations, third-party cookies, maintained work breakdown, boot up time, oh my god, I'll just close this tab. I hope you got exactly what we are getting inside the report. The next thing also we're getting for each and every page, we're getting the URL, title, meta description, the page screenshot, because currently it says page 64, so we can just easily afterwards transform it. We have the full-on page HTML, and also we have the Markdown for us. How cool is that? The next thing also we have the full-on page audit, the backlink summary, domain rank overview, technologies, relevant pages, and basically that's it. This is a lot of information, and imagine feeding all of this to AI. And I imagine how much time we have saved also here. So this is overall process how it went, and in the end also we have also rendered the PDF. So here we have the data itself that we have inside, and let's see exactly what we have. I'm gonna press here on download. I'm gonna download this to my computer. I'm gonna try to open it. So this is an example of report, what was done at the end. So let's have a look through it right now. I'll try to zoom in. So here first we have the website that I have put right now in the form. Then we have the prepared, market, overall health, issues found, evidence, and sources. Look at this beautiful overall health. Of course it's good because it's called the CEO. The next thing I'm going to just scroll down. Here we have also the contents of the current page. So we have the verdict in one page, the big picture, technical in one page. I'm going to scroll down. We have the verdict in one page right now here. So this is based on full-on live data available today on DataForSEO. And this is basically fully on connected to the current Google, right? I mean, it's easy as that. We're getting the full on-page vitals right now here. We have the big pictures straight away here. We have the on-page audit, the Lighthouse performance, accessibility, and best practices. To reconfirm this also, just for information, I'm going to even go right now straight away to PageSpeed insights, right? Because we need to reconfirm also that. So just to tell you that this is no fluff, I'm going to put here my website, which is called the SEO.mg, and I will just wait for it to load, because I'm fully confident that this is the correct thing set here. So while currently it's loading, I'm just going to go back to the report. So I'm going to show you in between. We have also findings by severity. We have 1 medium and 3 low, 0 critical, 0 high, which is perfect. Going back to PageSpeed insights, and let's see straight away here, guys. Do you see this? So the exact same thing can happen with you if you're using our skills. And scrolling more down, so we have the technical and on-page findings by severities. We have medium findings, low findings as set here. We have the speed and core web vitals for each and everything. We have the server and read and timing. We have the content and readability. We have readability scores also set away right here that we can also work on. We have authority and backlinks. So imagine, till now you were supposed to use Ahrefs or Semrush, but even recently, by the way, just starting July, DataForSEO had this backlinks profile, and they have put it in the regular API endpoint that we can call for, and we can get all this juicy backlink data, which is exactly what we need. We also have search visibility, which is organic keyword ranked, estimated monthly organic visits, keyword at position, and keyword recently lost. Wow. We have also movement, and I will check also definitely about those lost keywords. This is really interesting. We have also here keyword opportunities based on the keywords that were suggested for the site. Also the top 25 keywords the site already ranks for. Afterwards, top 25 keywords worth targeting for, which is fantastic. And best performing pages informations. Also we have it here. Then next we have also the technology stack. Scrolling more down, we have page inventory for each and every page. We have the page, title, H1, and words. The next one, I'm going to even scroll more down because it's so much information. What is already good, which is fantastic. Then we have also the plan this week for the next 30 days and 30 to 90. So at the end, we have also the appendix well set and put. And all of this was done without AI. This was full on automation set in n8n. Oops, I'm gonna go back. Where was our n8n? Here. So that was the HTML. At the same time, we have also wow, so many things. We also have an XLS that I would like to show you also, which is our keyword research. Here I also have another HTML. Interesting, but also I'm gonna pop up right here. I think you're also interested what we have inside. This is the header, by the way. I'm just gonna double check it in a bit. So we have the full report. We also have only the HTML set here. And I would say basically that's it, everyone. We also have an XLS file that will also be saved, also just for information for your reference. I'm going to open it here. We have also the data, and also we have the tool footer for the current HTML. Write the PDF. We have also PDF set based on the current HTML that we can easily print. And I would say basically that's it, everyone. This is our full-on website scraper SEO live there for you for free inside our AI Marketing Hub community. So just find the link down in the description. I'm gonna make a post about it. This workflow will be attached there. The things that you will need, it will be Firecrawl, DataForSEO API, and the current n8n. And basically, that's it. I hope you like it. Press like, subscribe, and see you next time.